Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know that new AI tools are constantly being released, and some of them can be quite expensive. So today, I'm going to introduce you to a website where you can access the latest AI models for free and try them out. The name of the tool is Hugging Face, and this website houses a staggering 140,000 models, all of which are available for free. Let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and search for Hugging Face. Click on the first link that appears. You have the option to either log in or sign up, or you can use the models without logging in. On the website, you'll find various menus, including Models, Datasets, and Spaces. You can even download datasets for your research. For now, let's focus on the Spaces section. In the Spaces section, you'll discover a plethora of running models. You can easily search for a specific model. Additionally, you'll find a section labeled Spaces of the Week, showcasing the top models of the week. Below that, you'll see All Running Apps Trending First, where you can explore all the available models. I'll now demonstrate how to use a specific model called DragGAN, which is one of the standout models on Hugging Face. Simply visit this model's page, rate it, and click Start. It will automatically adjust the position of any image just like magic. Furthermore, there are many more models available, such as ArcaneGAN, which can enhance image quality. To use it, upload an image, and it will transform it into a high-definition version. In total, there are thousands of models available for free. You can also download any model and run it on your local system. If you want to experiment with models on Hugging Face, you can easily duplicate a space. Just go to the desired model, click on Duplicate Model, select the configuration according to the model's requirements, and click Duplicate Space. So, go ahead and try out these models for yourself. If you have any doubts or questions, please leave a comment below. That's it for today. Peace out.